Hello students, now it's again important term molar connectivity and equivalent connectivity. First come molar connectivity. As you know and aware, if you don't then please listen carefully. It is the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of electrolytes in solution. Diagrammatically you will go, it's in a cube of 1 centimeter cube, ions are produced by 1 mole of electrolyte. You can go by that also, but this is very easy to learn and command. And molar connectivity is denoted by lambda m. And what is the relation of molar connectivity and specific conductance, which I explained you in the last class as in conductivity. Conductivity is also known as specific conductance. So the now topic is that relation between, which is very important for examination point of view. This will come in the exam. Relation between molar conductivity and specific conductance. Specific conductance, you can say that conductivity also. Because of that, specific conductance is known as conductivity, which we express by kappa. What? Kappa, not papa. Please take care. Now come, the relation is that delta m is equal to kappa into V. Normally, if you write down, so it will come in this way. Then you go by another way in the means of concentration. Delta M is equal to kappa into 1000 centimeter cube per liter. V in terms of concentration divided by C, and C stand for concentration, and concentration is coming in terms of molarity, and unit of molarity is what you know very well, mole per liter. Either the numerical will come on the molar connectivity or its unit has been asked a number of times in the exams, and you know that in place of kappa it is coming kappa right now. Then 1000 centimeter cube liter inverse. In place of C, you please first put M. M stands for molarity. Now keep the unit of kappa. Kappa is, you know very well that ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Multiply with what? Centimeter cube liter inverse. And unit of molarity is what? That is mole liter inverse. Now you start to cut. You can cut liter with liter, 1 centimeter with another centimeter. So unit is coming what? Ohm inverse centimeter square and mole. This has been asked a number of times. I have seen with my own eyes in the CBSE examination and other examination also. So this is what, and whenever you put the numerical, then take 1000 also in considerance. So either its numerical will come or its unit will come. One last equation, second molar connectivity, and third I will tell you the Faraday's law. Out of these three, one will come in exam definitely. Now come on the term on equivalent connectivity. And in equivalent connectivity, so what the change is to be there, that is delta E. Delta E is equal to what? Kappa into V. Now delta E is equal to what? Again, here copper unit is what? If I put ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, it is coming 1000 centimeter cube per liter. And in equivalent conductivity, we consider normality. Concentration is come in terms of normality, that stands for N. And you know very well that the unit of normality, ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, unit of copper. This is centimeter cube, liter inverse, and this is, my dear student, gram per equivalent. I hope so that you have done in the 11th standard. If you are not done, then I will explain you definitely. This will come, unit is what? Gram per equivalent, like as here mole per liter. So it's coming centimeter, 1 centimeter, cutting down ohm inverse centimeter square, gram equivalent per liter. Actually, gram equivalent per liter, liter will cut with liter. So ohm inverse centimeter inverse, gram equivalent inverse is its unit. Now, one important question of this one, you please take care. One question, theoretical question, I am going to tell you on the behalf of conductivity, molar conductivity, and molar conductivity at infinite dilution. Please be with me in the next class. I am just going to share some questions. Yes, dear students, it's a VVVIP question, that what is the effect of dilution on conductivity and molar conductivity. Molar conductivity. As you know that conductivity kappa is inversely proportional to dilution. Because of that, kappa is equal to what? Number of moles per liter of solution. Simply, if we will go concentration, kappa stands for concentration. Concentration is coming number of moles per liter of solution. Suppose that we have taken 1 spoon sugar in 1 glass water. So what happens if we increase the water up to 4 glass? So sugar molecules are less in 4 glass. So it is clear that conductivity decreases with the dilution. Conductivity decreases with dilution. But what happens to the molar conductivity? Molar conductivity, according to formula, del M is equal to kappa into V. So molar conductivity with dilution increase, but molar conductivity with dilution increase. Take care of these theoretical questions also. In the next class, I am coming to you molar conductivity at infinite dilution with the Coldership law, and molar conductivity at infinite dilution with the Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation and Coldership law. I am just going to share with you. Please with me. And then Faraday law, important term. Thank you.